Wake up, sleepyhead. It's a beautiful day.
Good morning.
Come on, time to get up.
Okay.
Huh? What's that sound?
Oh no, it's the tractor! Come on, start for me! Sleepyhead?
Hi, woman.
No time, the tractor needs you.
Whoa, what a mess. Come on, start.
Okay, Grandma, time to wash the tractor. Wait, so much fun.
Okay, I'm ready for the road.
Way back.
Morning. I'll take some carrots and tomatoes.
Of course, these are the freshest.
Thanks. This will be great. The orchard awaits. These oranges are perfect. That's it. You're doing wonderfully. Hey, get away from my oranges. Too slow, farmer. Stop right there. Hey, stop right there. Too slow, sucker. Hello, police? My tractor's been stolen from the order's empty. Please hurry.
Stop right there! You can't outrun me!
What's happening?
A thief! Please, pull over! You're not getting away!
Stop right there. You're under arrest. Officer, I can explain. These aren't mine. Liar, those are my oranges.
The jig is up, little one.
You're under arrest. Thank you, officer. I confess. To the car.